people. How you doing? My name is Dalton, and this is my channel. Now I'm gonna do an unboxing today. All right, and this unboxing is gonna be a couple items I picked up at, you guessed it, the dollar store. But these are really inexpensive items that really work great. Okay, they really do. And we're gonna do an unboxing. Okay, so let me get everything together. Get your drinks, your snacks, and relax. All right, and I'm gonna get the things together for you right now. Okay, the first item I want to unbox, I got the Dollar Tree, and both these items are $1.25. Okay, the first one, I love this. I saw this and it's just awesome. Okay, right there. Flexi Grip smartphone Flex Grip mount. Okay, and basically, the cool thing about it, you can use these in a lot of different ways, as you see right here. Okay, and the way that they're created, they can connect to like poles. Hold your phone up like that. You see, and that's the back. Okay, and these are really cool, and these are only $1.25. Now, the cool things about this is that they're only $1.25. They work great. I tried them. Okay, they work great. They are unbelievably flexible. Okay, and give you an idea, they come in black like this, or they come in pink, like the pink unicorn. Yep, I don't hear no jokes about it either. Okay, and definitely no Deadpool jokes about my unicorn and me. Anyway, you come and see, and it opens up, and you put your phone in, whether it's the iPhone and or Android, whatever phone, or a Linux phone, whatever type of phone, it snaps in. And I'm telling you, this is really good material. This is really strong. It's thick. Look, you got the mobile right there on the neck. You can move that around, extend it, okay, tighten it up. Like you got a certain angle you want, you can tighten it up where it's not going to move. These are flexible. You see? All right. The only thing, this is the truth. The only thing that I will usually have to worry about is that Caesar, my cat, been eyeing it. Okay, so he keeps eyeing it, and I have to make sure he doesn't, because he sees it as a toy. So your dog may see it as a toy, but it's really cool. It really does work. Okay, and it's really good if you're just trying to do a quick stream. Okay, or you can mount it in your car. It's pretty stable. This right here really doesn't move once it hit a surface. It's really stable. So you can kind of mount it somewhere in your car. You can use that. Use it on the go. Take it on trips with you. And look how small it is. It's compact. So, and only $1.25 at Dollar Tree. I'm sure you can get them online at Amazon somewhere, but it's not going to be $1.25. I mean, this is really good quality. The second thing that I want to show you is the humidifier. I bought one before. It's a different type, but this humidifier is really cool. It has LED lights on it. Okay, and everybody knows in the winter and in the fall, humidifiers definitely can come in handy, especially in the winter. Okay, and again, I got this at Dollar Tree, $1.25. Here it is. Okay, Look at that. Not bad, huh? Give you a little side view there. And shows you how to do it. See if you get a view of that. There you go. Now, if you get your hands on these, they go quick. And I'm not joking, they go quick. So if you can get your hands on one of them, this one or a different type of humidifier for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, buy two of them. Okay, because they go quick and they don't reorder them as quickly as other products. So if you see them, don't hesitate. Buy two of them. Okay, and I'm telling you, they do work. The other one I had, actually, you would put it into a glass jar and you put water in it, or sometimes you can even put a little, um, liquid, incense in it, with mix it with your water, and it just made the room smell good. So here it is. This is the humidifier, and you see right here around the edge here. Okay, yeah, you can take it off, but it's a LED light right there. It's a LED light. Okay, and that's right. It comes with a charger, so it has a battery inside. Nice, good thing to be able to travel with you, take with you around. Comes with a charger, and they're nice enough to even give you instructions on how to set everything up. Okay, and it's not hard to set up. Okay, now I'm telling y'all, you know, I don't just say stuff for the heck of it. You get some humidifiers for $1.25. You see them, get two of them. Okay, don't hesitate. Okay, borrow $20.25 from somebody. Okay, because they do work. Most of them I have tried at Dollar Tree for $1.25 work, and they last a long time. And you're just not gonna find a mini humidifier like that for $1.25. Not even on Amazon. Okay, okay. If you did get it from Amazon, I'd be scared to use it. Okay, because this is really good quality. All right, so that's my unboxing. I wanted to show you that the Flexi Grip and the LED humidifier via LED. Okay, very nice, very nice. All right, and I should wrap to y'all later. Peace.